Hello, good morning. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks. And today we are going to talk about how Iran's regime is trying to execute yet another champion wrestler. The Olympic Committee has yet refused to take any serious actions against the regime in Tehran for its bloody assault against athletes. Please do not skip the video and watch me till the completion. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and press that subscribe button. So let's get started. The Iranian state's opaque judiciary is slated to execute a second champion wrestler after it engaged in the widely criticized wrongful hanging of Greco-Roman wrestler Navid Afkari in September for his role in protesting regime corruption. Mehdi al-Hosseini, 29, from the city of Endi Meshk in the province of Khuzestan, was arrested in 2015 and charged with murder during a group brawl. His execution is imminent, according to family members cited on the Persian language website Deutsche Welle, a German state owned international broadcaster. The film's victim's family has not agreed to pardon the athlete for alleged murder, the DW website reported. Hamid Surian, the Iranian gold medalist Greco Roman wrestler at the 2012 London Olympics and vice president of the Iranian Wrestling Federation, has called for the execution to be prevented. I begged Dr. Golami Gheibi, who is one of the prominent doctors in Dezful as the father of the victim, to please God rescind the death penalty, he reportedly said. I hope that the honorable family of Gheibi will forgive this young man by doing this good deed, Sorian added. Cameron Cancerinia, a policy director for the National Union for Democracy in Iran, a non-partisan organization for Iranian athletes, on Saturday told the Jerusalem Post, while most athletes fear the further cancellation of sporting events due to COVID-19 pandemic, athletes in Iran fear being murdered by the Islamic Republic. After murdering champion wrestler Navid Afkari, the criminal regime occupying Iran intends to put fellow wrestler Mehdi al-Hosseini to death. The International Olympic Committee has yet refused to take any serious action against the regime in Tehran for its bloody assault against the athletes, despite a coordinated campaign by Iranian athletic champions, he said. The regime should be banned from all Olympic and international sports activities until it stops murdering athletes and lifts its gender apartheid laws towards female athletes and fans, Kansarina added. The disregard for the lives of Iranians shown by international organizations, including the IOC, has removed any and all of their legitimacy as humanitarian bodies. So that's all we have in news today in regards to Iran's decision to execute yet another champion wrestler. Please keep watching this space. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and press that subscribe button. Thank you for watching me. You have a wonderful day. Bye bye.